What's up, Sneakerholics? In this video I'll be showing you how to lace your Air Jordan 3s. If you're new to the channel or haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Also hit that like button to help me rank high on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you know, always keep my laces flat. I'm gonna do that. Put it in, make it even. Hold this flat. Across. Leave about a finger. You leave a finger in there. Pull it a little bit more. Same thing over here, leave about a finger, put a little bit more, and then lace up. Real quick, ladies and gentlemen, how I lace up my Air Jordan 3s. Thanks for watching my video as always. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this lace. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this content, or that thumbs down if you didn't. SneakerholicBeez, and I'm out.